tuna boy. I want state, man. How the
Fully. One State podcast. It's on a blast. Yeah, man. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's One State podcast. So real and entertainment. Real entertainment journalism. There's no business like show business. You know what I mean? So it's your host, lifestyle himself. You know what I mean? Fully. One State. Yo, all right. Congratulations to the winner of the Mobile Awards, Vibes Cartel Adidja Palmer, dancehall artist. You know what I mean? He represent the genre. So that's a big look and a big win for dancehall. You know what I mean? So all dancehall supporters and dancehall fans, especially the Gaza fans, should be excited about this moment. And I am excited that Vibes Cartel has won because he represent the brand, the corporation, and that's dancehall and reggae music. Big up Gaza and big up Vibes Cartel. You know what I mean? So, in dancehall, it's been a lot of spiral, a lot of feuds lately. You know what I mean? Artists against artists, songs are dropped. Lately, we see Massacre drop a new song. You know what I mean? A lot of people are say, well, I don't want Massacre firing it again. Massacre firing it, you know what I mean? Well, others have other things I say, and I say, oh, it lame. You know what I mean? Him still not live up to him say, him standards. It's just street talk. That's in the street, on the vlogs. You know what I mean? Against bloggers and vloggers. You know what I mean? We have genocide fans, them are rip hard and I say, yo, genocide, massacre, fine it. You know what I mean? And you have other people that say other things, Gaza. I say, yo, him not ready. So, as me say, as to me, song good. You know what I mean? Good song, listen it. You know what I mean? Lyrics in there, composure, see, massacre, I meditate, I put in the work. You know what I mean? So, as me say, he's a musician, he's an artist, he represent dancehall, he represent the brand. So kudos to that. Big up Massacre and big up him team, Genocide. And just go and put in the work. You so me I say, yeah man, I represent dancehall and the brand. You know what I mean? Keep it real. Excuse me. Let me take a draw off my spliff. So reality check. Yeah. So here we go again. So that's how we keep it real and authentic entertainment journalism. When you come over here on the One State podcast, you know what I mean? Whether you choose to watch